Welcome to Belly Breath, to this peaceful and grounding walking meditation. Today, we're going to take a journey inward as we walk, bringing awareness to each step, each breath, and each moment. As you move, you'll find a deep sense of connection with yourself and the environment around you. Whether you're walking in nature or indoors, this practice will help you cultivate calm, focus, and balance. Before we begin walking, take a moment to stand still and feel the earth beneath your feet. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable, and take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. As you exhale, imagine yourself sinking into the ground, becoming more rooted and stable with each breath. Let go of any tension you might be holding in your shoulders, neck, or back. Allow your body to soften, ready to begin this mindful journey. Now, begin walking at a pace that feels natural to you. With each step, bring your attention to the sensation of your feet lifting and falling. Feel the ground supporting you as you move. Notice how your body shifts its weight from one foot to the other. There's no need to rush. This time is about being present with each movement, with no destination in mind. As you walk, start to sync your breath with your steps. Inhale slowly as your feet move, and exhale gently as you continue forward. Let your breath and your steps form a steady rhythm, creating a natural flow of movement and breath. Each step is a reminder to stay in the present moment, to focus on the here and now. Take a moment to notice your surroundings. What do you see? What do you hear? Feel the texture of the air against your skin. Notice any scents or sounds around you. The rustle of leaves, the hum of life. Allow yourself to be open to these sensations without judgment or attachment, simply observing them as part of your experience. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide it back to the sensation of your feet connecting with the ground. You might silently repeat to yourself, "I am here," with each step, grounding yourself in the present. Let go of any thoughts about the past or future, and give yourself permission to be fully present in this moment. Now, as you continue walking, bring your attention to your body. Feel the strength in your legs as they carry you forward. Notice the movement of your arms, the gentle sway of your body with each step. With every breath, imagine yourself drawing in fresh energy and releasing any tension or stress. Each inhale brings renewal, and each exhale is an opportunity to let go. As you walk, silently repeat to yourself a positive affirmation that resonates with you. It could be, "I am grounded," "I am at peace," or "I am in flow." Let these words sink into your awareness, becoming part of your rhythm as you walk. With each step, you're not just moving forward physically, you're also inviting peace, strength, and mindfulness into your being. Continue to walk mindfully, staying connected to your breath and body. Notice how your pace feels. There's no need to hurry or slow down. Simply move in a way that feels natural and comfortable for you. Let go of any expectations, allowing yourself to simply be in this moment, fully engaged in the act of walking. As we near the end of this meditation, begin to slow your pace gradually. Feel the weight of your feet as they connect with the earth one last time, savoring the final steps. When you feel ready, come to a gentle stop. Stand still for a moment and take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, release any remaining tension. Take a moment to notice how your body feels now. Lighter, calmer, more present. Carry this sense of mindfulness and peace with you as you continue through your day, knowing that you can return to this practice whenever you need to reconnect with yourself. Thank you for joining me in this mindful walk. If you enjoyed this meditation, please consider liking the video, sharing your experience in the comments, and subscribing for more guided meditations. Your support helps us spread mindfulness and peace to others.